Hey, it's Joseph here. Suddenly we are holding a lot of video conferences and screen sharing session to talk to our colleagues or client or whomever you speak to in day-to-day business, and it's become really important. So all the equipments, the microphone, headphone or webcam or internet's become really important assets when you're working from home. So I wanted to make a content that kind of showcases a couple of products that's useful for remote working and showcase to professionals like ourselves. So I have received this care package from Avantree, and they are Bluetooth headsets and the earbud. So I wanted to unbox these products and showcase these to you. I do have some other products that I am using currently, but I just thought these might be worth introducing. So let's go ahead and unbox the small one first. So this is TWS-120, and it is true wireless earbud for clear phone calls, and they claim to have extended playtime and crystal clear calls, so that is to be tested. Bluetooth version of 5, and it does have all different codecs. So some manuals and paperwork, and I see a USB cable. Let me put this aside, and a bunch of different sizes for the earbud and here. So let me push that off. Micro USB charging port here, so it is not USB-C, it is rather micro USB. And here it says charging case, and I suppose that indicates how much it is charged. A logo is on top, and if I open it, I can see some light is blinking, and there's a little sticker that indicates how to adjust volumes and play. That's nice that it shows what this sort of touch does. And I see lights blinking. It is trying to pair. Oh, here it says initial pairing. Open case to turn on earphones. Wait for LED on. Select Avantree TWS-120 from your phone's Bluetooth menu. So time to pull out my phone and try to synchronize it. So it is scanning. It's showing up as Avantree TWS-120. And the left side. Close the case. Put them into my ears. This is how it looks like. Let's test some music. My daughter was listening to Frozen, so inevitably I have to listen to Frozen. There's a good amount of bass. It is not overly done, but it's not heavy either. I wonder if I need to adjust my earbud size, but that's what I am feeling. And you can easily remove it by just peeling this off. That was quite easy. So there's other two sizes available. I see one smaller perhaps. One is bigger and the other one is smaller. So let me try the bigger one to see if it provides better bass. Yeah, with the snug fit, it actually does provide more bass, so which is good. I'll probably keep it on as a bigger size. So replace this one with bigger one. I can't tell what is the big one. Oh, that is a big one. Okay. All right, and let me test the microphone as well as soon as I'm done with this. Okay, with the tab, I can actually pause the song as well. So I'm gonna try and see what is the recording quality is like. So I'll play both version of this microphone versus this headphone and how that sounds like. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. This quality is through TWS-120. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. 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 This quality of audio is coming out. This quality of audio is coming out of TWS-120. So let me put that back into the case. So as soon as I put it back in, it just blinked a couple of times. I guess that indicates that it is being charged. And I can use a charger to charge, and then I can see an indicator light that shows up here as being charged. But I also could see through the case top that there is a light that lights on, indicating it is being charged. Cool, neat. All right, I'll leave that charging on my desk. Moving on to AH6B. It is much bigger headset type rather than earbuds. And what I'm aware is that this microphone actually is detachable, which I like. You can kind of leave it if you don't want it, but you can connect it to get better microphone that is closer to your mouth. Okay, bunch of paperwork again. I see the aux cable, 3.5mm headphone jack. It is 3-pole, so it is not microphone supported. And micro USB again, cable. And I guess this is a pouch to carry this. I guess you can keep some wires in here. And then the big pouch is meant for the headset. So the headset is like that. I suppose this is sort of the folded position, so I can put that in there. And then here is the microphone, little tiny microphone that attached to your headphone. And I suppose I can put it in this zipped pouch so that I can just kind of carry this. I don't really like those high thread gown pouches. They catch my finger. I don't really like them, but I like the fabric of this. I like the black and gray finish of this. A touch of green on the pouch itself, which I don't mind at all. The headphone itself, the ear cup is very soft. I like that. I can probably do long time with this without feeling fatigue. There's a Avantree logo on the top band here, and it is adjustable, as you can hear. It doesn't fold, unfortunately, but it does turn sideways, so allows it to be hung on your neck like that. And I see on this side there is 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the further end is the microphone corner, so you can attach like so. So there is a power button I see, and then the charging port, micro USB, and I see buttons on the side, play button the next, and I'm assuming this is sort of volume dial. Yeah, there is a little dial that you can turn. It's a little bit plasticky, but it is there. There is another dial. I guess this adjusts the microphone position. Nice. It kind of snaps onto a certain angle, so you can either have it on the left or right, although it specifies that this is right, so I'm gonna be wearing it like this, and then adjust this microphone to the front like so. And my head is giant, so I need to stretch it. Oh, it is comfortable. Okay, let's just turn it on and pair it with my phone. Here is the turn on button. I guess you can put it onto the middle and then it turns it on, and then you can move it to all the way where it's gonna sync with the Bluetooth. So I heard some notification sound, so I'm gonna see if I can pair with my phone again. Hold it down perhaps. Yeah, if I hold it down, it says pairing. All right, Avantree AH6B, it showed up. The sound is much better than the earbuds. There's plenty of bass. The quality is good. I can listen to it for quite a long time, and this button is easily pressed. Again, the frozen, since why not? The microphone actually has a mute button on the side, so let me see how that works exactly. By the way, the dial on the side adjusts the volume. It's quite intuitive. All the buttons work as expected. All right, let me move on to microphone testing. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm trying to see the quality of microphone on AH6B. Microphone testing, snaps around my head. Microphone testing, trying to see the microphone quality of AH6B. It is seemingly better, or it should be better than the other earbud that I was testing. So snaps around my head to see how it impacts. Okay, seemingly the mute button is not necessarily working. I don't know why. While on active call with boom mic, press and hold mute button. You'll hear microphone mute on and off. Oh, okay. microphone mute off, so I guess I can mute it like that. I can connect the other cable and expect this to work as well. I heard the microphone doesn't necessarily work through the 3.5mm audio jack, but wirelessly it works fine. Based on short testing, microphone quality is actually much better than other earbuds, so I would definitely use this for video conferences and other conference calls and phone conversation that you have to make. So when it is not attached, I still see a microphone hole, and I confirmed that on the schematic too. So that is a microphone, but it's not going to be as good of a sound as being close to your mouth. So that is available to have better quality of microphone. So that is my review of these two Bluetooth headsets and earbud that Avantree have sent me. It is AH6B on this one with really good microphone quality, and then TWS120. It is a miniature size, but it fits in your pocket, and then you can use this to carry on short conversations and listen to music if you're on the go. If you have found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching this type of videos. I want to do more of remote working product reviews, so that's more on the way. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.